Hello everybody, and welcome to my new channel called MaxCar, where you will be able to find a deep detail of all grades for all vehicles for last model years. Today we are going to see the best-seller truck in the United States called F-150 in all grades as XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, Limited. First, I will talk about the standard equipment that we have in every version of the truck. After that, we are going to review all the optional packages that we have from XL grade to the limited grade, which it should be less than XL equipment. Let's start with the grade XL, starting at $28,745. Also, you can finance at $378 per month. As a standard equipment for the exterior, we have 170-degree rear door, frontal and rear bumper in black color. We have a cargo lamp integrated with a center high mounting stop lamp. In the front, we have a halogen headlamps with DRL or daytime running lights. The fascia is also in black color. In the grille, we have two bar style black nostrils. In this grade, we have the handles, door and tailgate in black color. The side mirrors are also available in black color. We have the key lock in the tailgate. We have silver steel wheels of 17 inches. Headlamps have the auto lamp function with the rain lamp wiper, which basically its function works when there's rain and the wipers are on, the headlamps turn on automatically. There are hooks in the front only for 4x4 versions, and in the cargo box there are 4. Finally, as a standard, we have a manual folding and manual adjust for side mirrors. As we reviewed, in the exterior this grade is simply and do not have too much equipment. Of course, we can add the optional package for this grade, but that means that cost will increase. Inside cabin, as you can see, looks great. Besides, this is the low grade truck, but as comfort and convenience, we have a black vinyl floor covering, a dome light, a phase 2 off interior lighting. As a convenience, we also have a grab handles located in the A-pillar in the driver and passengers. We have manual door locks in the front. We have a power outlet of 12 volts. We can see an armrest with cup holders, and we also have cloth seats with headrests and also with manual adjustments such as the windows and exterior side mirrors. The steering wheel is covered in black urethane and is available with manual tilt or telescopic and manual locking. The rear view mirror is totally manual. As we can see, we only have some buttons to control the mirror screen. As you can see in the center console, we have a conventional entertainment system that supports AM and FM radio stereo, and below the radio we have also a conventional manual air conditioning of a single zone. In the meter we have a productivity screen of 2.3 inches with fuel, oil pressure, transmission temperature and engine coolant temperature information with speedometer, odometer and tachometer. The standard grade is available as 4x2. We have independent front suspension, trailer, sway control and power rack and pinion steering. For the power, we have a 3.3 liters twin independent camshaft variable timing V6 engine with an electronic 6-speed transmission with tow, haul and sport modes. Also, we have auto start-stop engine technology. The fuel tank has a capacity of 23 gallons. As a safety, since this grade we have 6 airbags, 2 in the front, 2 side airbags and 2 curtains. We have a rear view camera with dynamic hitch assist. We have 4-wheel anti-lock brakes with curve control. As advanced safety, we have pre-collision assist with automatic emergency brake, automatic high beams where just turn on the high beams when there is not a vehicle in the front, tire pressure monitoring system. Let's see next grade called XLT, starting at $34,760 and finance at $456 per month. As a standard equipment for the exterior, we have now the front and rear bumper with chrome details and the fascia change from black color to the body color. Also, we have the addition of the fog lamps with halogen. Generally, we have a significant change in the front of this truck. and we keep some equipment from the previous model as handle doors, side mirrors as black color, with the difference that now, since this model, we have the power adjust for side mirror, but we keep the manual folding. In the back, we see that the tailgate changed from manual lock to power lock and the addition of some power outlets. In the wheels, we see that the design change, we keep the same 70 inches, but we change from silver steel to silver painted aluminum wheels. Inside the cabin now, as you can see, in the center console we have now the ScreenSync 3 of 4th with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. With navigation, also it is available with 4th Pass Connect with Wi-Fi hotspot. We keep other features such as manual air condition, same mirror as previous model. Talking about that area, if we focus on the steering, we see a change. Now we have black urethane and extra controls, such as cruise control and steering switches for the Sync 3 screen. Now we have power door locks with flip key and integrated key transmitter, keyless entry including auto lock. Now we also have power windows with one touch up and down for driver and passenger. For safety, additional we have the perimeter anti-theft alarm and the remote keyless entry system. For the rest, we have same equipment as XL model. Of course, we have the option to add several options package with additional cost. Now let's check the next grade, which is the Lariat model, starting at $42,750 and financed at $461 per month. As a standard, now we have handles, door and tailgate from black color to body color. Now we have the side mirror with skull caps and body color. We have the spare tire on the frame. We keep same front and fog lamps as halogen, but the ones in the tailgate now are LED. The side mirrors now are equipped with the heated turn signal, LED security approach lamps, memory feature, auto dimming feature only for driver side, and now we have power folding and of course power adjust, just as previous model. In this model we have 18-inch matching aluminum wheels with flash gray pockets, and that's all for the exterior. Now in the interior of this truck, as we can see that there is wood grain style interior trim accents. There is a change in the mirror with a bigger screen of 8 inches, which is much better than previous one. Also we have an ambient lighting in the center console. Since this model now we have intelligent access with push button start. Also we have the addition of the outside temperature display, power adjustable pedals with memory for a better comfort. We still have the power outlet with 12 volts without domestic power outlet. The rear center mirror is also auto dimming. Now in this version we have heated and ventilated seats. The steering wheel now is in black leather wrapped. Now we have a dual zone electronic automatic temperature control. In the interior it is available the leather trimmed seats from cloth of previous versions. Also it is available the power seats for driver and front passenger with memory for the driver. For safety we have some additions such as the advanced track, the blind spot information system, the line keeping system. Those are the most important feature in safety for this model. In the engine we have a change. Now we have a 2.7 liters EcoBoost V6 engine with auto start stop engine technology with an electronic 10-speed transmission with tow haul, snow, wet, eco select and sport modes. Next we have the King Ranch model starting at $52,990 and financed at $527 per month. Now we have the front and rear bumper as accent color, and now there is a change in the fog lamps from halogen to LED. Also the headlamps change from the halogen to quad beam LED, and now it is available in the grille 2 chrome bars style with chrome surround and caribou mesh. In the side of this truck we have the side mirrors with mounted spotlight LED and step bars caribou. We also have changes In the rear parts such as the detail in chrome with the name of King Ranch and LED inside the box. As convenience, there is the remote tailgate release. For the front, we have an extra feature with the windshield wiper de-icer. We keep the 18-inch matching aluminum wheels with flash gray pockets and caribou, but with the King Ranch logo ornaments. In the interior now is available the power inverter in the instrument panel, or the domestic power outlet. In the left side we see the 4x4 control, which is available also in previous versions with the optional package. Since this model we have the power tilt and telescope steering wheel with memory and other features such as the universal garage door opener, rain sensing wipers. Also we have some details with the King Ranch ornaments in the armrest and bucket seats with center flow through console King Ranch leather trim. As entertainment we have same screen but with the sound system by Bang and Olufsen. In the back seats we have same equipment such as the armrest, air conditioned outlets and also power outlet. Since this model we have the remote start system. Just to clarify, I have not mentioned other features that we have in the previous models because there is equipment that we have already mentioned. This grade have a 5.0 liters, also with the technology VCT with an V8 engine with also our start-stop engine technology. Now we have the model Platinum starting at $55,520 and finance or lease at $552 per month. In the exterior we now have handles and side mirrors in chrome. Now it is available 20 inches polished aluminum wheels, much bigger than the previous model. Same as King Ranch, we have the name Platinum in the tailgate. Inside the cabin it looks very similar as the previous model as in the exterior as well, but in addition of heating in the steering wheel for everything else, we have same equipment and same comfort. Next we have the limited model starting at $67,735 and leasing at $671 per month. In the exterior we see not much changes from the previous model, just return to the body color in some areas instead of chrome like the bumper side mirror and handles. This is the only model that has the tail lamps as LED. It also has 22 inches polished aluminum wheels. Inside cabin we see an attractive interior with all trim and seats in Byton, the emblem of Limited located in the center armrest. Actually the seats look with a great quality. In the second row we have a 110 volts power inverter, and since this version we have the 360-degree camera with split view display. It is also added the adaptive cruise control with stop and go. An overhead console, we have a panoramic sunroof and power seats for the front passenger with 10 position, and finally we have heated seats for the passengers in the second row. For the powertrain we return to a high output 3.5 liters V6 EcoBoost engine with auto start-stop with electronic 10-speed transmission with tow, haul, snow, wet, eco solid and sport models. It is added a dual exhaust with dual tailpipe on the rear bumper. Basically those are all the models available for the Ford F-150. There is also the high performance trucks such as the Raptor and the heavy duty models, but for those I will make a video separately. As I already mentioned, there are several packages in every single model that we can ask to our dealer to add. I mean, we can have the Model XL with the equipment of the limited model and so on. With a higher cost, it is just matter of convenience. Also the package are available with the models as a single cabin and double cabin for more space in the cargo area. Let's review quickly the crash test results from the IIHS organization. As you can see, the F-150 has a lot of good points as crashworthiness and superior security for front crash prevention. Sadly, its headlights has poor point and marginal for the latch for children's seats. This truck could be considered for the family, just considering that it did not receive the best qualification for the latch system, but the main purpose for this truck is for work. Now, what is the best option to buy? It depends of the purpose. If we want to have the best equipment, obviously the best option is the Limited. But I think Lariat is the best option to perform the activities for work with a good level of equipment. I hope you have enjoyed this analysis of every model of the F-150. Please subscribe and like the video to keep making reviews for the last model year of any truck or any vehicle you want. This is Max Car, and see you!